Anybody can make history. Only great men can write it. Like and follow. People literally paid strangers to bang on their windows every morning instead of using alarm clocks. Before we had phones or bedside alarms, entire neighborhoods relied on knocker-uppers to make sure they woke up on time for work. Armed with long sticks, pea-shooters, or canes, these early morning human alarms would tap on bedroom windows, sometimes for several minutes, until they were sure their clients were awake. Some even specialized in waking up workers on different shifts, making multiple rounds before sunrise. The job was so common in Britain during the Industrial Revolution that you could spot knocker-uppers roaming the streets at dawn, dressed in heavy coats, sometimes carrying ladders to reach upper floors. It wasn't just a quirky side gig, for many, it was a full-time profession. People trusted these human alarms more than any mechanical clock, and the last knocker-uppers kept working well into the 1970s in some towns. Imagine starting your day to the sound of someone tapping on your window, instead of your phone buzzing on the nightstand.